Well, this is a great event. This is the kickoff of the Safe Routes to School.
I'm the mayor. It's nice to meet you. How are you doing today?
Good.
Good. You ready to do a walk?
I just love being with the kids. They're a lot of fun. But second of all, I wanted to be here to support all the efforts of the Portland Bureau of Transportation to just let people know that it's fun, it's easy, and it's safe to walk or ride to school.
Yes, we are celebrating International Walk and Roll to School Day, and I think Whitman is the school selected out of all of Oregon to have all these different agencies coming together.
So if we can have two people with a banner come up front and lead us.
So it's not only an opportunity to interact and fellowship with our young people, but I also think that our visibility here shows our older people and our older generations that it's also important for us as protectors and guardians of our children to ensure that they get to school safely.
We're just trying to make sure that kids know that it's safe to come to school walking so that they get their exercise early in the morning.
I walked all the way from my house. I'm 2 blocks away from this school, and I do it every day. I'm always safe, and I look both ways whenever I'm crossing the street.
We had the yellow bus, and my mom had a hard and fast rule. If we were late for the yellow bus, we walked. And I walked more times than I care to admit.